If you'd like to see how I create this simple, quick, and easy eye look, watch the video all the way to the end. And there is also an I am in there to help encourage you and I. Keep watching. I'm using orange and I'm going to put this right here on the lids. Today I set my eye base. I am trying something new. I want to see what it looks like when I set it. I usually never set it. So we'll see how the eye look comes out. This orange is from Didi's Signature palette. There is a brown in there and I'm just sweeping it in the crease. Today's I am is, I am centered in truth and peace. I am centered in truth and peace. You are centered in truth and peace. Always remember you first. Never, ever, ever give up on yourself. Always trust what is true for you. I want to thank you for watching my videos. Please remember to play a playlist. It does help me very much on YouTube. I appreciate you always. I do have a membership where I do a video once a month for my members. If you'd like to join, the link is in the description. It is only $2.99. That helps support my channel also. The lip color I'm wearing is this lip color, and I put this multi-chrome gloss over it. This came from my ice cream box. Share this video with someone, and remember, until I see you and you see me, make truth and peace your comfort zone. Make truth and peace your comfort zone. Thank you very much. I think I got my life fixed. And this is the look for today.